Hello dear friends and welcome to Iranintro channel. I hope everything's going well with you. Today we are in a much different destination. We are at Karaj Dam, also known as Amir Kabir Dam, which is an impressive engineering marvel. Beyond its practical purpose, it offers an oasis of serenity, a gateway to the nature, and a story that's rooted in the country's quest for progress. Built in the 1960s, the dam was more than just a solution to manage the region's water supply. It was a bold symbol of modernization during a time when Iran was stepping into a new era of development. The Karaj River, once free-flowing, was tamed to provide electricity for millions of homes, sustain agriculture, and quench the thirst of one of the largest cities in the Middle East, Tehran. The sheer scale of this dam is astonishing. Towering 180 meters above the valley, this concrete giant holds back millions of cubic meters of water, forming the stunning Amir Kabir Lake. The catchment area of Karaj Dam is 764 square kilometers, and its average annual water flow is 472 million cubic meters. This arched concrete dam has a crown length of 390 meters, a height of 180 meters from the foundation, and 6 water values. And while the numbers are impressive, the real beauty lies in what this place has become over the years. Today, Karaj Dam has transformed into a hub for adventure, but it's not just the tourists that have made this place their home. The dam has given rise to a thriving ecosystem. Birds, fish, and other wildlife have found a sanctuary here, with the reservoir acting as a vital lifeline for the biodiversity of the region. At first glance, it may seem like a simple vast reservoir that nestled between the mountains, but there is much more to it. This dam, the result of many years of work of highly skilled engineers, showcases remarkable engineering and the precise location selection. The robust dam wall and other advanced features allow for the clean storage of such a massive volume of water. To sum up, this dam enchanting the quality of millions of people's life and also transforming the agriculture and other professions that are connected to this dam into a much more efficient and manageable profession. So how was that? Comment your idea. If you have any idea or question, just comment down for me. Thank you very much for accompanying me on another voyage. I really appreciate your support. Love you so much, guys. See you next time. And as always, discover the real Iran through my lens.